Our state-of-art labs are where theory meets reality, from 3D visualization to the cutting-edge world of robotics. We provide an experiential learning environment that prepares students for the challenging careers that makes them industry-ready for tomorrow.
I am Binani, a student of class 8B in the robotics lab. We do our hands-on activities, learning coding and problem-solving skills, which helps understand how the technology works in real life. It encourages innovation and prepares for future careers in science and engineering.
I'm Swastika of Standard 8th. Learning in the Science Lab is exciting as practical works make concepts clear so we understand and remember concepts more better.
I am Swarna from Standard 9th. The 3D lab makes learning visual and interactive, which helps us to understand complex concepts very easily. As we can see and experience lessons in 3D, it improves our interest and retention.
I am Adya Shraddha from class 7th. Learning technology is very important nowadays. It prepares us for the future. It helps us think creatively and logically.